Dunneback here, back with the Tiny Mic for Open House. Tiny Mic around the school. I'm just trying to find out where these kids all went to grammar school because we have so many grammar schools coming to see us this Sunday for Open House and hope you will be here. So can you tell us where your grammar school is?
St. Cadgeton, St. Mary's Star of the Sea, St. Benedict.
Okay, we got a couple more over here, a couple more.
St. John Fisher.
St. John Fisher.
St. John the Baptist.
All right, and you're going to tell some of your friends to come here, maybe the 8th graders, 7th graders to come and see us. Come to Open House. Come to Open House. Here with a couple more kids. You are?
Griffin McRae.
Tyrese Johnson.
All right, tell me your grammar school.
Worth.
Curtis Elementary School.
Okay, so anyone from Worth or Curtis Elementary School, what would you tell them about Open House this Sunday? What would you say to these kids? Should they come?
Yes,
Make sure you guys come out.
It is a great opportunity to see our facilities and meet some of our faculty members. I highly recommend it. If you come, you'll be sold.
Another student here.
Hi, I'm Tom. I'm a member of the band. I went to Most Holy Redeemer. You should all come to Open House.
Come and see the band perform.
Hi, I'm Avery. I went to St. Barnabas. Come to the Open House this Sunday.
Here with the social committee. I don't even know what that means, but they're telling you get here to Open House. Get to Open House. Get Open House.
I'm Kate. I'm from St. Michael, and I want to see some Wildcats here.
I'm Ava. I'm from St. Gabriel, and I'd love to see some Shamrocks here on Sunday.
Let's go. Shamrocks, Wildcats, get here. Just bumped into some wrestlers. Are you guys on display at Open House? Will you be wrestling at Open House?
We won't be wrestling,
we'll
but
have
we
a
will
table
have a
at.
table, yeah.
Okay, so if you're interested in wrestling, are you saying come to Open House?
Yeah.
Please join us at Marist Open House this Sunday, 11 o'clock.
Come to Open House.
If kids have an interest in theater, come to our Open House.
Yes, we'll have theater students doing theater in the Red Hawk Theater on Sunday, so come check it out.
I'm from Mount Greenwood, so if you go there, come to our Open House at Marist.
Very nice. Check out the school.
I'm from Geraldine Junior High, and if you go to Geraldine Junior High, come to Open House.
How about you?
I'm from St. John Fisher. If you're from St. John Fisher, come to Open House.
Nice.
I'm also from St. John Fisher. If you're a Falcon, come to Marist.
Get the Falcons here. Come on now.
I'm from St. Christina. If you're a Cardinal, go to Marist.
All right, and hi to Miss Spano. Can you tell me your grammar school?
Kinsey Elementary.
Okay, so do you have a message for any of those 7th or 8th grade kids there?
If you're a Cougar, come over to Marist.
Got another student here. How are you involved at Marist? Like, what are you involved in?
I play football and I run track.
Okay, football and track. Very nice. We have Open House this Sunday. What's your grammar school?
Sutherland Elementary.
Okay, so Sutherland Elementary, if you're out there, what would you say to them about Open House?
Come show out.
Come show out. I'm in the cafeteria again during lunch, and I have another couple students here that want to tell us what grammar school they're from.
I went to St. Benedict, and this Sunday you should come to the Open House.
Okay, here I am with
Tommy Fiddler.
Okay, Tommy, what's your grammar school?
St. Barnabas.
St. Barnabas. So to the St. Barnabas, what's your Buckeyes?
Yeah.
If you're coming on Sunday, check out Tommy Fids. He will be here, Fiddler, we call him Fids. He will be working what? What capacity are you working?
The golf table.
Golf table. He's a golfer. He's actually very good. So come and see Tommy Fiddler on Sunday. I'm here with
Christian, Quinn, Rico, Chocolo,
Okay, so can you tell me your grammar schools? We're grammar school.
St. Jerome, Lions.
St. Barnabas Buckeyes.
St. Jerome Lions.
St. Jerome Lions.
All right, so we have a lot of St. Jerome Lions and St. Barnabas. So you guys became friends here. Did you know each other beforehand?
Oh, we did not know each other.
Didn't know each other. Okay, so come to Marist. You meet different kinds of kids from different grammar schools. You can meet them. So this Sunday is our Open House. Do you have any messages about Open House?
Come to our Open House this Sunday.
Ayla, Ellie, Hannah, Gianna,
Okay, so they are all from what grammar schools?
Sutherland, Independence, St. Mike's, Alms.
Okay, so your friends here at Marist, and you came from all these different places. That's kind of cool. What can you say to those kids out there from any of your grammar schools who would like to come to our Open House? What would you say?
This place is very cool, and it's really people here are very smart, and they'll really help you get through a lot. They're very kind and caring.
I'm glad to hear that.
It's very motivational. I think the community's great, so it's a good reason to come to the Open House. I met a lot of people here, which was really nice. So just talk to a bunch of people. So very rowdy. I like the school spirit.
Yeah, so do I. Thanks for being with me, girls.
Hey, this Sunday is Open House. Forget the Bears. Forget everybody playing football for a couple of hours. Come to see one of the greatest institutions of higher learning anywhere in history. Marist High School this Sunday. Thank you.